Welcome to week 6. So far, we've completed our study of digestion, the macronutrients, and metabolism. This week, we move on to energy balance in Chapter 8 and weight management in Chapter 9. Energy balance is achieved by the body when the amount of energy we consume is equal to the amount of energy expended in terms of exercise or daily activities. With energy balance, you typically see weight maintenance. For those wishing to lose weight, you will want to have a negative energy balance whereby you are taking in less food than what you are expending, and that will result in weight loss. Chapter 8 also looks at body composition and body mass index and the risk factors associated with high body mass index, as well as some of the caveats of using BMI as a way to interpret a healthy body weight. Moving on to Chapter 9, we'll look at obesity, the obesity trends in the United States, which cause health risks. Another topic covered is treatments for obesity. As you now know, obesity is a complex issue which greatly impacts the health of Americans as well as other countries. We are connecting the dots in this week's assignment between food intake and your individual nutritional needs by having you complete a 3-day food intake within MindTap's Diet and Wellness Plus software. Hopefully you have been working on this already and can find out more details about those in the weekly assignments tab. So let me take you there for a moment. Here we see, see details on this 3-day intake. And then also, if you click on the MindTap link on the left where all of these tabs are, you'll end up into MindTap and where you've been finding many of your other assignments. And clicking over here on the right, a number of icons, you'll see the green, a little apple with a red plus sign in the middle of it. Simply click on that, and that will take you to Diet and Wellness Plus. All right, let me get back to some other details here. I'd like to mention that this Diet and Wellness Plus project and this 3-day food log you're doing for this week is a really fun project, and it helps you learn a lot about yourself and your typical eating habits. You'll be uploading several documents, by the way, into Blackboard, including the 3 days of your food logs, a 3-day average of your intake, which is a report, by the way. It's a report feature in the Diet and Analysis Plus software. And finally, be sure to select the 3 days you used for your food log in order to capture the correct data for the DRI report. Upload all 5 of those documents at the same time into Blackboard by the end of the week. By the way, this is just step 1 of this process, as you're going to use this data to further analyze your diet next week with that diet analysis project. All right, other details for this week. There's a video on, let me move back here. Video on metabolism that investigates energy balance and also reinforces our chapter content. There are 2 MindTap assignments, which you probably already have seen when we were in that weekly assignments tab, and be sure to take quiz 4. I hope you're doing well with the course, and have a great week.